Today I'm with Show. Today we're gonna be going over some tips and tricks to either get into modeling and some poses. Make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be posting more videos like this. So let's go ahead and get on into it. All right, so we are going to go over 3 tips when you first start getting into modeling for posing. First tip that I have is finding the light. This is really important. You wanna make sure that the light is hitting your face in a good way because this is what's gonna make you look beautiful in the photo.
So for this setup, we have a lot of different studio lights, but if you don't have that kind of money, one of the great things that you can do is you can find a window with a lot of natural light that comes in, because a window is a great way to get soft light, which will really ease things up. So for us, we have a studio light over here, and then we have a window over here, and it kind of softens up the shadows on our face.
The second tip we have is movement. One thing that I learned as being a model is movement is really key for me. If you are moving a lot and you're working with the photographer, you're gonna get so many pictures back with lots of different poses, so you're gonna see what you like best.
And one of the best ways that you can practice doing that is find a mirror and literally just go and practice poses. Because number one, you'll be alone, so you don't have to be afraid of anybody making fun of you, which I hope you don't make fun of yourself. And number two, you can sit there and find out what works good for you. Like, what poses do you like best for your body type?
Totally. So take a lot of selfies.
Oh wait.
What, did we miss
Tip 2B? Is it tip 2B?
Tip
2B. One of the best things that you can do as a model is figure out what angles look best for you. So what I found as a photographer is that if my models can be facing straight forward or at a 45-degree angle, it's gonna definitely be able to accentuate their body type and their curves.
So the last tip we have for you guys is relaxing your facial muscles. This is really big. I used to do this when I first started out. I would kind of tense up just because I was nervous. Everybody gets nervous, but it makes you look so much more soft and everything if you are able to kind of roll out your jaw and just relax.
One of the best things that you can do to get rid of the double chin effect, is to bring your chin forward and down, and it'll get rid of the double chin. Another thing that you can do is suction your tongue to the roof of your mouth, and that will get rid of this double chin that you see sometimes with terrible photos.
All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We do have a part 2 on working with photographers and just kind of, how to build your portfolio and stuff. So head on over to his channel. His Instagram and YouTube will be linked below, so make sure to follow and subscribe him over there. So yeah, make sure to go watch that video, give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any other video requests or anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching.
Thanks,
Bye,
guys.